guys, welcome to Chris's Kitchen. First of all, thank you guys for the support and following the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button below. What are we gonna do today? 3 Halloween salty snacks. First of all, we're gonna make a ghost pizza. Second of all, we're gonna do some mommy sausages. And to finish up, we're gonna make some Halloween looking eggs. You ready for this Halloween party? Follow me. Hey guys, really quickly, I want to show you guys how to make a stencil to garnish your eggs later. There's 2 techniques. One, you need a little scissor. What you do, you draw your pumpkin face on a nice small piece of paper. You fold it in half so you can easily cut out the mouth and the nose, and then you fold it 2 more times, 1 time for the left and 1 time for the right eye. This technique works for everybody who has a small scissor. Should you have this carving tool or a Stanley knife, you can as well draw the face that you want on a small piece of paper, put this on a cutting board, and you can just easily carve out the figure that you would like. Let's do our eggs.
Perfect.
Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you liked our Chris's Kitchen channel, please don't forget to subscribe or follow us on Facebook or Instagram.